guys, what's up? It's Bonita, and I'm going to teach you the figure 8 sweep today, all right? So let's jump into this. It is a little bit complicated, but nothing that we can't get through. All right, so you're going to start on your knees, and yes, I do have knee pads on, just so you know. So if you are going to keep doing it, maybe throw those on for yourself. Okay, so from here, you're going to swing. We're going to break this down into a few different parts. But I'm on my knees. I'm gonna drop on the top of my hand, just like we've talked about in all my other footwork tutorials. Swing, yeah, so I'm doing that sweep right there. I'm gonna lift up my knee, so I'm coming under, yeah, so we see that. Then I'm gonna transfer my hand again, good. That leg is now back behind me. I'm gonna sit, see how I kind of sit under, and it's rotating as I turn. Turn, 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 turn. Good. From here, I'm gonna bring around, come back up, reverse sweep, back to my knee. Ooh, that was a mouthful. Okay, so, and it might be a little confusing. Maybe I need to turn around once. Let me show it to you this way as well. So if I'm here, just so you can walk it through, I'm gonna swing around from here. Good, transfer. I'm gonna pull my knee up. Good. Bring it back behind, swing it down like I'm sitting, so I'm gonna do a little sweep there. You don't really wanna put your hips down, so you see how I transferred my weight? And then from there, I'm gonna swing it out, drop my knee, and then I'm gonna reverse it and bring it back up. Yeah? All right, so do that again facing you, and then we're gonna do the other side and put them all together, or put it both together. So back facing you, a little clearer. From here, around, up, around, out, and up. Good. I'm gonna turn around. Let's do it again a little bit faster. Facing the back here. Swing around, up, around, out, and up. Good. Now, from there, you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So now I have my right hand down, swing around, good. Pull it up, whoop, up, around, good. From here, switch hands, bring it, reverse, pull it back in. Yes. Okay, let's try it. I'm gonna face you. We're gonna do it one side all the way to the other. So we're gonna put it back together, landing back up to our knees, okay? So here we go. And swing, sweep, 2, 3, and 4, back, up, other side, around, up, around, sit under, sweep, switch, and up. Yes, a little bit faster. I'm gonna face this way. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, you go, around, up, around, and around, up, around, in. Good. Last time. Okay. Ready? Here we go. Figure 8 sweep. Right and left, left and right, left and right. Put it all together. 5, 6, 7, we go. Boom. Up. Up. Nice. Good job. Practice, practice. There's your figure 8 sweep